The drive pulley is the rear blade pulley on your bandsaw. It attaches to the sprocket and chain to drive the bandsaw blade. The drive pulley consists of a metal pulley with 2 bearings already installed in it, and a new tire already mounted as well. The drive pulley might need to be replaced if the screw holes for the sprocket become wallowed out. This can happen if the screws aren't kept tight. If the tires aren't replaced when worn, the tire mounting cogs might wear down as well. It is also a fast and easy way to get your saw up and running if the pulley bearings fail. Replacing the drive pulley is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the drive pulley. Now I can install the new drive pulley. You'll notice on the back of the drive pulley, there's 3 tabs, and these need to align with the notches on the sprocket. It helps to have the sprocket centered over the shaft as much as possible. Everything is aligned, and now I can secure it with the screws. There's a plastic washer that goes in the center, followed by the metal washer and the center screw. And that's all it takes to install a new drive pulley on your bandsaw.